If you're looking for an upper body workout that's going to allow you to build some strength and tighten some things up without making your back pain worse, well, you found the right workout today. It's not going to be easy, but I'm going to be showing you exact form and what it should feel like and all the reps and sets that you need to know to build your upper body strength without making your back pain worse. We're going to be using a suspension trainer, and what that allows us to do is it allows us to have perfect form, allows us to be safe, we don't have to worry about balance, and it allows us to increase the resistance as we go by changing our body position and not adding more weight. So we're working out smarter today instead of harder. And as a physical therapist over the past 10 years, I've had so many patients with back pain still want to improve their upper body strength, and this is exactly how we did it. Here's what I found out with my patients, in that if we use this device, we're able to have safety, we're able to progressively increase the weight, which I'll show you, and we're able to have perfect form. And so when you get this device, make sure you set it up correctly because it's going to allow you to have perfect form and be safe. And so it comes with a little clip here. You're going to clip that to something that attaches over the door, and just make sure that door doesn't open towards you. Throw it around, and if you're not tall enough, get somebody to help. Shut the door and then test it out. Make sure it's nice and strong. Now for me, I'm going over my pull-up bar here. So I'm just gonna throw it over and then clip it, and I should be good to go. Now, this device is going to allow us to be very safe. So just listen to my cues. I'll put the reps and sets in the description, but I'm going to tell you where you should feel it and what the form should be. And because we're using this, we don't have to worry about balance. And so that increases our safety with this. And it's going to allow us to leverage our body weight to increase the resistance over time. And so it's just a perfect device that's going to allow us to be very successful at strengthening our upper body, get a good pump, blending the reps and sets that's going to allow us to have strength and size at the same time. It's just going to be a very good device for us. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to be easy. It doesn't mean you're going to have the best time as we go through this, but I can promise you this, when you get done with this workout, your back pain is not going to be worse and your upper body is going to feel nice and strong. Now's when we start having some fun. You've got your device set up. Make sure your handles are fairly level with each other. And with today's workout, we're hitting back, bicep, tricep, chest, and core. And so I'm going to structure in a way that's going to challenge you, allow you to start here and build up on your own. But again, the reps and sets will be in the description. So we're going to start with back and biceps first. And since we're hitting strength and size, we're going to be positioning this with 3 sets of 12. And so I'm going to go right into the row. I'm going to have a nice incline, which means I'm going to be bringing my feet closer to the door or the anchor. Now, not too close, all right? Because you want to start where you can be successful and get 12 reps done. So here we go. And now I'm going to get my 12 reps here. There's 1. I'm bringing my elbows to my side, and what I'm doing is that I'm focusing on being tall. I'm not having bad form. I'm rowing. Now, if you're super strong and you feel like you have a good back or good strength in your back, you can have a nice decline here. For me, I'm going to start right in the middle. We're just starting off, guys, right? I don't want to go too far. Now, I have everybody work on this, and what's great is that no matter the age, no matter the back stuff going on, you should be successful. I think I'm at 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Now that's called a row. And what you're doing is you're rowing. You're pulling your chest towards the band or the anchor, and you're going to feel your back muscles. And what's secondarily, what's great with this, I'm giving you a little break here, is that it works your grip, right? If you ever notice you have trouble opening some tight jars, it's going to help you out. So now we're going to go right to the bicep, which this one's a little bit more form heavy. So have your feet pretty much in the same spot. You're going to go back, but this time you're going to bring your fist to your face. 12 repetitions here, elbows nice and high. Do not have your elbows low, get them high. Get those elbows high. Elbows high. We're at 3 reps there. Now I feel this right in the top of my arms. That's your bicep brachii. Those are the show muscles, baby. Those are the muscles that people really want to tighten up. They're like, hey, Michael, I've got back pain. I want to work my upper body. How do you make my arms more toned? I can't tell you how many times I've heard that. So again, we're shooting for 12 reps. I'm at 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you notice I'm not going down all the way. You can if you would like. 11. Just gonna make it harder. Whew. 12. All right, so that was bicep. Now we've got 2 more sets of each. We've got row again, and then bicep, row again, then bicep. So let's get to it. Same position with your feet. You're gonna row here. Stay nice and tall with your body. Pinch those shoulder blades. There's 3, 4, 5. Some of my patients like to really flare out their arms like this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Guys, I don't know about you. Actually, I probably know. You're feeling the burn. If you're slower or faster than me, that's okay. If you notice you need to reduce your angle to make it a little easier, that's okay. We're just starting off here. And that's why I love this suspension trainer, in that you can change the resistance by simply moving your feet. I think I got 2 more, 11, and 12. You can simply change the resistance by moving your feet, and it's going to allow you to complete the reps and sets without being too taxed, where if you had a dumbbell, you can't change the weight mid-exercise. Pretty cool, huh? Now back to the bicep here. You got this elbows high, fist to your face. 2, 3. This one it's not as much fun. These muscles are smaller than your back muscles, so it's gonna be harder. There's 5, 6. Here we go. 7, 8. 4 more. Ooh, come on, Michael. 9. Now, if I'm feeling it, I'll just take a little step back. 10. Complete the reps. Don't give up on myself, but at the same time, feeling that burn. We know with 12 repetitions, you're in that blend between strength and hypertrophy. If you don't have a big, long history of working out, or you're just starting off, it's okay to do 2 sets, but I'm gonna give you the goods today. We're doing 3 sets, people. Okay, back to the row. A little bit more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your foot position, if you want to wear shoes or not, it doesn't matter. Just want you to be comfortable. There's 6. Now you should be feeling your grip. 7, 8. Remember, your grip is part of your upper body. Grip's one of those weird things too, and that it's been strongly correlated with longevity. 9, 10. And those who have a stronger grip live longer. 11. There's lots of reasons for that. 12. It's kind of cool. Okay, you should be able to tell now that you've worked your back and your bicep. 100% of the time, back to the biceps here, 2. 100% of the time, people doing the bicep curl for the first time are really sore the next day, so just be aware. Now, if you're getting tired and your elbows are down here, that's okay. Perfect form is elbows are high, but for me, I'm getting a little tired here. Just because I'm a PT, and just because I do this a lot, as much as I can with 2 little kids at home, doesn't mean I'm immune to some good hard work. I think there's 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I can tell I've worked my back, I've worked my biceps. 3 sets on each side, which means you should be noticing some blood flow into those muscles. Be nice and tall. Take your time and rest as much as you need to, but now we're gonna be building the front of our body a little bit, working on our chest. Now we're gonna be hitting chest and triceps, right? We just got done with the front of the arm and the back muscles. Now we're gonna do back of the arm and the chest. Now for this one, you're gonna wanna take your suspension trainer, move it to the center of the door, or you're gonna be able to keep it where it's at, but you need to get your feet right underneath it. So you see I'm not off to the side. My feet are right underneath it. You're going to extend the handles and that they're kind of at your side here. Now, if you're against the door, you'll just be a little bit forward, and that's totally fine. Just like all the other exercises, the more of a incline we have, which means the closer your feet are to the door, the harder it's going to be. So our first one here is going to be a chest press. We should feel it here in our chest. I'm going to tell you modifications just in case you have shoulder pain. Now, for me, I have this suspension trainer down on my side. They feel level length here. And then I'm going to be going forward, sinking through and pressing back. What I mean by sinking through is that my chest is going past my elbows and come back. If you have a history of shoulder pain, then just don't go down as far, right there. Totally fine. For me, I want to get full range of motion in my chest and really dive down into what I can do. Now, a lot of my clients don't realize this until they start doing it, is that it does work your chest muscles in the front of your shoulder. And if you have any bit of shoulder pain, you just reduce that range of motion or bring your elbows in a little bit more. Now I am holding on to these, and then secondarily, you're gonna be feeling a little bit of a calf stretch, maybe in the back of your calf which is really cool too. Now you should be able to feel your chest working. Again, we're shooting for that 12 reps, which I think I have about 3 more reps here. 1, 2, and then I'm feeling it all in the front here. 3. Whew, there we go. Now we're gonna be moving into the tricep, which is, if you have any history of working out, these are like skull crushers, but what you're going to do, instead of being here where you're doing your chest press, you're gonna bring your arms up higher and let those elbows bend and then press back. Bend and press back. My clients sometimes will go a little too far and they won't be able to come back. Don't do that. A little bit of a bend and come back. But just like the biceps, those elbows need to be high because these muscles cross 2 joints. And so we need to move one joint up, another joint here. 4, 5, ooh, I'm feeling this. What's nasty about this is that you just got done doing the chest press, which is a secondary tricep exercise. Ooh, I'm feeling the burn. So if I feel the burn too much, I just change the position of my feet to make it a little bit easier for me. Elbows bend. You're gonna be bringing those hands to your face. I'm gonna do 2 more here. 1, 12, perfect. Whew. A lot of my clients, they always ask me, how do I get rid of my bat wing here, right? How do I get rid of that? This is how you do it, right? So we're able to reduce the pressure on our back. Throughout all of these, you shouldn't be feeling anything in your back. And then we're gonna be able to work on your arm strength. So back to the chest press here. We got 12 repetitions. Whew, here, I'm feeling the back of my arms. I'm absolutely feeling my triceps. I like this little bit of circuit work though. It provides some variety and it allows you to get some good strengthening in, have some fun, right? You're not sitting around just waiting and resting. Whew. If I do feel this in my back at all, I just tighten my tummy a little bit. We don't want any back pain, so if I engage my core, it's gonna protect my back. Now, if you guys have any questions about back pain as you're going through this or what you're feeling, just leave them in the comments. Whew. All right, if you've worked with PT before or a physical therapist, you know we're really bad at counting. I think I'm at 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, got that chest press in. Oh, I can feel my triceps burning here. I'm gonna shake it out a little bit. Feel free to take a minute rest if you need to, or a little bit longer. Oh, you can stretch out by extending those bands. Oh, feel that good stretch. Ooh. Ooh. This is where my clients start bargaining. This is the fun part when they're like, how about we just do 2 sets? You know, maybe just 1 more, or maybe reduce the reps. No, show up for yourself, show up for others, elevate your standards, okay? Improve your strength to the triceps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm not going down as far. 10, I'm just listening to my body. 11, 12. Oh, that was tough. This isn't easy. Shake it out. Do a little stretch. This is a tricep stretch where you get that arm above your head and you just kind of bend that elbow. Oh, for me, I just like to shake it out sometimes. Grab those handles. Get to it. Now, tell me which person you are. I don't care if these bands get twisted up top here. It doesn't matter to me. Some of my clients are like, has to be perfectly straight every time. I don't know. For me, I don't really care. For you, you may care. Chest press time. 2, 3. Feel that chest working. 4. You don't want to be way out here. You want to be a little bit underneath your shoulders. It's like you're doing a push-up, a perfect push-up. But what's great is you don't have to get on the ground. Maybe these last 5 or 6, you're like, Michael, let's really push you here. Let's do a little bit of a longer incline. Oh, my back of my arms are burning, guys. 10, 11, 1 more. I don't know if I'm off on my reps. Oh, 12. Whew. Whew. All right, here we go. A little stretch. Okay, now get to it. Elbows up. Bend those elbows. Go down. 2, 3. What's great about this workout, we've worked biceps. We've worked back muscles. We've worked triceps. We've worked chest muscles. Oh, I wanted to give you an all-around workout. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we go. 10. Oh, 11, just because I'm a PT. Oh, I feel the burn too. 12. I had to listen to my body there. I wasn't going as deep. 3 sets at 12 is tough, guys. It's tough. If you go to any traditional PT or maybe even trainer, they're like, oh, just do 10 reps. It's fine. No, that 12 reps is really where things change. You blend that hypertrophy, which is muscle size, and you get some strength as well. And it's just 2 more reps, right? 2 more reps, it's 20% more, no big deal. All right, now we're gonna be moving into a little bit of a more arm exercise and a core exercise, right? Everybody loves to get a little bonus core work here. So your arms are burning, take a break here if you need to, but this is called a fallout exercise. And so it's working our big lat muscles. So think about, it's like a modification of doing a pull-up. Now you're gonna have those arms, keep the same length in your TRX. You're gonna step back that you're underneath it again. But instead of going forward and bending your arms, you're gonna go forward but keep your arms straight. Oh, and you're gonna feel your back, not your back. I don't want you to feel your back. Keep your core tight so you don't feel your back. But you're gonna be working back muscles and your triceps again. And you should feel your core. Now, in my patients with back pain, they're either gonna feel their core work or they're gonna feel their back pain. The way you don't feel back pain is by tightening your core, going out until you feel your core activate and come back. Do not go too far. I've never had anybody fall, but I've had someone get stuck. They're like, I'm stuck, I can't do anything. Then take a step forward. You don't have to fight through it. There's 6 reps here. Here's 7. 8, arms are straight. I'm stopping when I feel my core activate. 9, 10, 11. This is called a fallout because you're falling forward. 12. I don't know if you've noticed, but we've been able to work so many different muscles by just changing the position of our body, by either moving our feet, bending our arms. We don't have to add any extra resistance, and back pain likes that. You don't have to walk around, pick up a weight, you don't have to use bands. You just attach this to your door, tell whoever you live with to give you some space and get after it here, okay? Same thing, fall out again. We got 12 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 9. 10. Come on, hang with me here. 11. And we'll go a little slower here. We're gonna feel that extra burn. Hold. 12. All right, shake it out. Now we've done 2 sets. You may want to quit now. You may want to take a break. I would challenge you just to rest for a moment and then get right back after it. Now, if you have any questions about the suspension trainer, just let me know. I'll put the link to the one that I use in the description with my patients. Don't feel like you have to buy the name brand TRX. It is what it is. Okay, here we go. Fallout. 1, 2. What I've noticed is that, over time with building some core strength and hip strength, I'm sure you've done some stuff for your back pain in the past. You combine that with some upper body strengthening, you'll be surprised. We have research to show that as I'm doing this exercise here, as I'm doing the rows, we have lower back muscles that are firing to help change the morphology and the strength and the structure of the back muscles to allow you to have less back pain. Now, if you have any back pain and you're not sure what's causing it, I have a quiz that I'll put in the description for you. It's my sciatica quiz. And it's just going to allow you to kind of understand your back pain or if you have sciatica at all. In exchange for your email, I give you a bunch of tips and tricks. I think there's 9, 10. Guys, let's finish off strong here. If you're the person to really get after it on the last rep here, have a good long hold. Let's do a 5-second hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. Congratulations, guys. You just worked so many muscles in your upper body. You should feel it now. You do this workout 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you will notice strength in that We can notice the strength with a suspension trainer in a couple of different ways. You'll be able to do more exercises with less rest, or you'll be leveraging your body to make it harder during the reps and sets. Both of those things show you that you're improving, which is great, but it does take time, 4 to 6 weeks of 2 to 3 times a week, before you really start to notice that you feel stronger. But I've had patients report after week 2 that their form is better and it's easier for them to get through the exercises. And so that could be you as well. But today I wanted to show you a good way to strengthen your upper body, not make your back pain worse, allow you to get through a good upper body workout without feeling awful afterwards. So let me know how it felt. Let me know if you have any questions. But as always, guys, stay healthy, keep moving, and take care of yourself.